मैं जा रहा हूँ ब्रो।
चलो
सुबह मैं आ रहा हूँ कैमरा में।
हाँ,
ठीक है। पहले हम श्लोक बोलेंगे। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Now I am presenting the disadvantages of the recent online classes. So first of all, due to this COVID-19 outbreak, the Google, the popularity of Google Classroom increased many folds. But it is really hard to student. There are many disadvantages of the newly launched Google Classroom or the Google Meet application. First, there is very little interaction between teachers and students. Because of little interactions, the conceptual facts cannot be clear to the students. Second, due to continuous watching the mobile screen, mobile screen, laptop screen, or the desktop screen, cause strain to eyes of the students. While attending the class with earphones or headphones continuously can give rise to ear pain. The disrupting voice of the teacher. Because of the disrupting voice of the teacher, the students cannot clear the concepts. Due to network issues, there many times the student or the teacher एग्जिट नहीं करते फिर भी हो जाते हैं, मतलब निकल जाते हैं खुद, उसको इंग्लिश में रिमूव फ्रॉम द मीटिंग। फिर उसके बाद बोलना था, हाँ, रिमूव फ्रॉम द मीटिंग। थैंक यू।
Good evening everyone. First of all, I am going to present a slok. Ati swarnal lankayam name lakshman rochate. अर्थ है कि हे लक्ष्मण, लंका अगर स्वर्ण से भी बनी है तो भी मैं इधर नहीं वास करना चाहता, क्योंकि जन्म, हाँ याद आ गया, जननी जन्म भूमिश्च स्वर्ग दूरता अतिवास्यन्ति। फिर अर्थात हे लक्ष्मण, मैं लंका अगर स्वर्ण से भी बनी है तो मैं उधर नहीं रहना चाहता, क्योंकि जननी और जन्म भूमि स्वर्ग से भी अधिक अच्छी, स्वर्ग से के समान होती है. Now I am going to tell you about some of the disadvantages and advantages of online classes. First, career advancement. Now it provides you flexibility, and you can now you can work and fit your work schedule. You can work and fit your work schedule around the career course more easily. Career course more easily, and this would reduce the costs of the fuels burnt at the vehicles. Second, it provides a better environment. By choosing online class, you choose the education environment which works best for you, and this reduces the due to online classes, it reduces the costs of it saves up the time of the student. Third, it lowers the debts and costs of it reduces debts and costs as students in offline classes, students buy books and other things, other stationary things while doing an online class. We could use the e-books which are provided by the NCERT website, and it is free. और फिर fourth, it makes us more responsible. It is true that it gives us the time management skills and makes us responsible. Or some disadvantages of online classes are: first, due to network issues, the voice of the teacher often lags. Second, and due to signal problems, the video shared by the teacher gets blurred. Third, sometimes we are often removed from the meeting due to these network issues, as most of the people now are using internet. Fourth, it gives strains to our eyes. Fifth, but thank you.
Good evening everyone. Today I am going to speak about online class, but before I start, let me present a Sanskrit shlok. Alasyam hi manusyanam sharirastho mahan ripu nastud masme धनुए कृत्वौ नव सगति, अर्थात आलस मनुष्य का सबसे बड़ा शत्रु होता है और परिश्रम मनुष्य का सबसे अच्छा मित्र होता है, क्योंकि परिश्रम करने वाले को कभी दुख नहीं होता. Now I will start with online class. Online class is basically a system management system which is we are doing via internet. Advantages of online class are: first, It let us learn. It let us learn about ourselves and our hobbies. Second, it let us learn self-discipline and responsibilities. Third, let us learn about the environments and like that. Now, disadvantages of online class are first, not much face-to-face interaction. Second, due to some network issues, we'll leave the meeting and miss something important, which has happened to me only on Monday when Google kicked me out of the meeting and I was marked absent. Now I will share the experience of Google Class which I faced. My experience with Google Class is very bad, as always every day 10 to 20 times the network disconnects and I had to leave the meeting and miss something important. Thank you.
Starting with a Sanskrit shlok, I am Nijah Paroveti, Ganana Laghu Chetsam, उदार चरिता नाम तू वसुधैव कुटुंबकम। अर्थात यह अपना है अथवा पराया, ऐसा छोटी सोच वाले व्यक्ति मानते हैं। उदार हृदय वाले व्यक्तियों के लिए तो संपूर्ण पृथ्वी परिवार के समान होती है। Now I will tell you some advantages and disadvantages of online class. Advantages of online class are first, career advancement and hobbies. Second, flexible environment and set schedule. Third, it is comfortable. Fourth, self-discipline and responsibility. Now I will tell you some disadvantages of this online class. First, it needs intense self-discipline. It even needs intense self direction. Third, due to some network problems that Shubham Bhaiya, Divyam and Prateek Bhaiya said, मतलब हम लोग बाहर निकल जाते हैं उससे क्लास से। फोर्थ, लैक ऑफ एक मिनट, थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है इसमें प्रोनाउंस करने। एक्रीडिटेशन and thank you.
Soham, ja.
Good evening everyone. First of all, I would like to present a Sanskrit shlok. Priya Vakya Pradane Sarve Tushyanti Janatva Tasmat Tadev वक्तव्य वाचर का दरिद्रता। हाँ, इसका अर्थ है कि एक मनुष्य को प्रिय वाक्य बोलने से एक मनुष्य का जीवन सफल होता है। अतः एक मनुष्य को सिर्फ प्रिय वाक्य ही बोलना चाहिए, ऐसी वाणी बोलने में कैसी कंजूसी। Now I will speak about online class and its advantages and disadvantages. Basically, an online class can be said as a connection of computers through the internet. Now, an online class has many advantages and also disadvantages. Some of the advantages of online class are: number one, it is very convenient for a student. It is very convenient for a student to attend an online class, as a lot of students feel a lot more comfortable. Feel a lot more comfortable at their home only, and by recording the online class, they can definitely have a recording for them to study or listen to the lectures again. Second, it is very flexible. As I just said about the recording part, recording an online class is pretty easy, and having the recording is definitely very helpful. Suppose due to some reason, due to a festival I am not able to attend the online class, I can just record it and listen to the lecture as per my convenience. Third, an online class can be said. An online class is definitely very important currently, as a gathering of a larger number of people is prohibited and is not also advised. Therefore, having an online class can definitely resume the studies of the students. And now some of the disadvantages of online class can be said. First of all, an online class advantages, sorry. Some of the another advantage of online class can be said is it reduces the time. Suppose for a college, most of the students have to get up, get ready, drive to the college, and it definitely takes a lot of time. But during an online class, it's just a matter of minutes that you can pull up your laptop or phone and connect to the classroom pretty easily. Second one can be said is it saves the expenses, because some of the students travel a lot to get to their college. Therefore, an online class, an online class definitely requires good internet connection, but I think it definitely saves expenses. Now some of the disadvantages of online class can be said. An online class is not very effective in subjects that require a hands-on field approach. Suppose subjects like maths and physics are not very well taught through an online class, because subjects like maths and physics require more in-depth conceptual understanding of the student. Second, an online class can be said difficult for a student who is, you can say, who is a little bit backward. Like suppose a person is from a village and is not very used to or not very familiar with the electronic gadgets, he will definitely find it difficult to connect and study in the online class. Third one, an online class is obviously dependent on the internet a lot, and a lot of areas in India feel the connectivity problem. An online class is very tough. Attending an online class is definitely harder for a student living in the rural areas, because the lack of internet connectivity, and you can say the lack of not a general understanding of the electronics. Another disadvantage of an online class can be said, there are a lot of distractions. Suppose you're attending an online class with your laptop, and nobody is going to actually see you, and you can basically play games or browse Instagram or Facebook on your phone, and nobody is going to scold you or anything. But an online class requires a student to be determined, and the student has to be a lot more concentrated, because there is no teacher that is present to guide him, and actually scold him for any of the things that distract the class. And most of the students now are very used to the offline mode, and definitely want the offline mode rather than the online classes. And the final disadvantage of the online class is that
An online class prohibits the development of the social interactions between the students. Like suppose going to the college or school, you meet friends, you actually learn how to interact with people and all. But an online class definitely prohibits that. Thank you.
श्लोक से शुरू करने जा रहे हैं। वाणी रस्यवती यस्य यस्य शामवती कार्य लक्ष्मी दानवती यस्य सफलम तस्य जीवनम। इसका अर्थ है एक मनुष्य की वाणी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, वो कार्य अच्छे करना चाहिए, वो उसे दान के काम करने चाहिए, इसी से उसका जीवन सफल होता है। मैं आज ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के एडवांटेजेस डिसएडवांटेजेस बोलूँगी, सत्य घटना पे आधारित।
एक पे बोलो ना, या तो एडवांटेज नहीं, एक तुम बोलो एक वो बोले, हम तो इसी में करना चाह रहे हैं।
ठीक है, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे तुम? हम डिसएडवांटेजेस बोलने जा रहे हैं। सबसे पहला डिसएडवांटेज जो सब बच्चा ही डिस्कस किया है वो है नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी जो सब में ही फेस होती है, जिससे टॉपिक्स मिस हो जाते हैं या फिर क्लास से एग्जिट हो जाते हैं। फिर दूसरा कि कभी रिसीवर या फिर जो ऑनलाइन क्लास करवा रहा है होस्ट, जो ऑनलाइन क्लास करवा रहा है होस्ट, उन दोनों के साइड से इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम आ सकते हैं, जिससे ऑडियो डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है और जिससे समझ नहीं आता। तीसरा ये है कि उसमें टॉपिक्स क्लियर नहीं होते हैं, जो टीचर पढ़ा रहा है वो क्लियर नहीं हो पाता है। जैसे अगर कुछ लिखवा के पढ़ा रहा है तो वो उतना क्लियर दिखता नहीं है, जिससे बच्चों को समझ नहीं आता है। चौथा ये है कि मतलब बच्चे जो परेशान करने वाले बच्चे होते हैं वो फेक अकाउंट बना के क्लास में घुस जाते हैं और फिर टीचर को परेशान करते हैं, फिर टीचर सबका अटेंडेंस काट लेता है। फिर पांचवा ये है कि बच्चे उतने अटेंटिव होते नहीं हैं, वो लोग बस टीचर पूछता है समझ आ गया तो सब हाँ बोल देता है, पर कोई किसी को कुछ समझ नहीं आता है। और फिर छठा ये हो गया कि मतलब बच्चे लॉगिन करके छोड़ देते हैं, फिर अपना गेम खेलने लग जाते हैं। जैसे घर के बच्चे होते हैं तो ऐसे चले जाते हैं कि मैं ऑनलाइन क्लास कर रहा हूँ पर फ़ोन पे गेम खेल रहे होते हैं। धन्यवाद।
सबसे पहले श्लोक बोलूंगी। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। अर्थात जो देवी हर इंसान में माता के रूप में स्थित है उनको मेरा बारंबार प्रणाम है। Now I'm going to tell you about some of the advantages of having online classes. First, it helps in the time management. Second, getting free attendance daily with the just sitting at home. Third, it provides comfort. Fourth, it prevents distraction that are present in the classes. Fifth, the shy students can ask their doubt without hesitating to their teachers. Sixth, it is one of the best options that can be done during the lockdown due to pandemic or any other cause, so that the course of the students should not lag and they and it does not become burden at all to them. Thank you. और आगे है?
नहीं बस
ठीक है। आज मैं ऑनलाइन क्लास के जो
डिसएडवांटेज
यही बोल रहा हूँ। ऑनलाइन क्लास में बच्चे अपना वो स्पीकर और वो जो फोटो हाँ वीडियो बंद कर देते हैं और फिर टीवी देखते हैं, खाना खाते हैं, पानी पीते हैं, यही सब करते रहते हैं, खेलते हैं, सोते हैं, झूला झूलते हैं। और ऑनलाइन क्लास वो इंटरनेट का प्रॉब्लम होता है। ऑनलाइन क्लास में वो कुछ समझ नहीं आता, मैम का सब बोलते रहता है। धन्यवाद। भारत माता की जय। जय हिंद।